Lori Nickel Central in southern Arizona. So we just got a big shipment of batiks. We got 67 new bulbs. We've got them all laid out here. And we've got such great, yummy things here. Um, grab your project, your patterns, and come on down and take a look at the batiks. We're going to wander into the other room because the other room has the yellows, oranges, reds, and you'll get to see those too. So here you can see we've got some pinks, oranges, yellows, and then into the browns. And these are beautiful, beautiful batiks. Come on down.